Okay, so what is the latest thing that could help out Tesla stock, which has been all over the place? Well, it's this thing that came out today, which is April 27th, about the idea that Tesla could use SpaceX to manage massive amount of self-driving car data, meaning SpaceX is going to set up their own satellite-based internet high-speed program. They're going to be launching it. And Tesla could get this potentially for free or at a major discount. Right now, Tesla is paying for all their cars to be connected to the internet, which I know costs the company money through AT&T, I believe it is. Let me know in the comments if that's right, if it's AT&T, I believe it is, or if it's somebody else. Anyway, it's a secure broadband network that can handle high-speed amounts of data, high-speed, large amounts of data. And apparently, the average self-driving car with all the cameras, and I've done videos on this before, Tesla has a huge advantage over every other company because they've already got all the cameras, and they've already got the internet connection. They're already collecting the data. I don't know what they're doing with it. No one's even made any videos or released any information about that, but I have. And I think that's a huge advantage Tesla has right now because I'm just driving around and collecting free data. And as you can see, it says that estimates that self-driving vehicles can produce 40 terabytes of data in an hour. 40 terabytes of data in an hour? So I'm giving Tesla 40 terabytes of data and I'm going over all these roads over and over again. I got over 50,000 miles in 1 year on my vehicle. You can imagine how much data they have. They're going to use this for the learning ability of the self-driving cars. And of course, they're going to be data brokers. I think that's going to be what happens to car companies. Tesla's the only one that's even set up to be a data broker right here, right now. So I think that's a huge advantage for them. Tesla declined to comment on the note. Well, it says here, in our opinion, leveraging broadband network provided by its very own sister company seems like a plausible answer. Let's see. Well, whether or not Tesla will be able to achieve full self-driving technology is still a question. Of course, Elon Musk has said camera-based may not work. He'll look like a fool. But he's also said it will work, and he's going to upgrade any computers and cars that need it because I've already paid for full self-driving in my vehicle. So I'm anticipating that he will have to, and there's the stock price, $294, almost back to 300 again. Okay, so it says here, Tesla's already equipping every car it makes with the hardware sufficient for full autonomy. So in other words, what this is saying, it doesn't say it in here, Tesla is already collecting and transmitting back to the home base, wherever that is, all of this data, which is 40 terabytes an hour. So, okay, so right now they're paying for it. And in the future with SpaceX, they may not have to pay for it, giving them a competitive advantage. That's one competitive advantage. The other competitive advantage is they're actually doing it right now. Nobody else is even doing it. So how is anybody else going to catch up? I made a previous video about that. Let me know in the comments. How is anybody going to catch up? I don't know. See, I think they're moving or driving or however what pun you want to say into new territory here with this whole setup they've got. They've really thought this out. They've done the math. It's genius thinking in my mind. I mean, yeah, it may not work or maybe too far ahead of its time where it just whenever you bring something that's too far ahead of its time, there's that risk. But I think it's at the right place at the right time. What do you think? Do you think anybody can catch Tesla, especially when you add in this SpaceX free internet, secure internet for massive amounts of data into the mix? Tesla will be, like it already is, hopefully, I don't know if they're priced in yet, but they're saying maybe another $100 a share if this ends up working. They'll be priced in as a massive world leader in autonomous driving data. I look forward to reading your comments and let me know one way or the other. I have nothing. I mean, I'm owning some Tesla stock now, but I want to know the truth. Is this really a competitive advantage and how big? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.